Alright, we're gonna go a little bit of an unboxing here. I got a new soap mold and let's take a look at it. This is a tall soap mold. Measures 15 inches by 2.5 by 4 inches deep. And it's got a nice wood top. Get the silicone out of here. Nice, well-made silicone liner. It's got 2 holes in the bottom there. That's nice for when you're pushing the soap out. You can just push it out from the bottom. Nice, well-constructed box. Soap liner fits in there nicely. And I like this because I can have some textured tops and then still cover this to where the cover doesn't actually touch the top of the soap. I have some other molds where that's not necessarily the case. Here's an example of one of the other types of molds that I have, a little smaller than this one, but as you can see, the liner comes above the box and it just has a flat lid. So none of the soap can be above the liner in any way, otherwise the lid would touch the soap and deform it. So with this, though, I'll be able to texture the top and a little bit and be able to keep it covered. So I'm going to make a loaf of soap out of this today. So we'll see how it goes.